Alright, this little tree is a cherry. It was planted in a pot, it fell down, so I just placed it in this plastic pot for a while, but it's very loose and not doing very well. I don't think there's a lot of roots attached to it at the moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to repot it. It's fall right now, so it's not an ideal time to repot a Prunus. This is more or less an emergency repotting. Breaks all the rules. We need to do it now in order to save the tree. I'll take it out of its pot, see how the roots are doing, and then place it in a new pot. And the new pot that I have in mind is this beautiful pot, nice color. I think it works really well on the Prunus. It's a little bit on the big side and it's not very high, so let's see if we can get the tree in. Otherwise I have some other options as well. So I'll prepare the pot, take the tree out, plant it in proper bonsai soil, and then let the tree recover. And then maybe in the next early spring, if it's healthy, we can start thinking about styling this a little bit. We can make a nice small size tree out of this. Alright, so I finished repotting the tree. It was in a really bad condition. I took it out of the pot, as you could have seen, and only a few roots were left intact. So I very carefully took some of the loose soil away, but I didn't touch what was left of the roots at all. I just put it in a large pot, new soil, and I will keep it a bit moist, but since it's already losing its leaves, all I can do now is wait until spring and hope for the best. So let's see if the tree survives. I will water it now to make sure that all the dust is washed out, and then I'll keep this tree in an unheated greenhouse over winter. I want to protect the tree as much as possible, and then it's all a waiting game until spring. Hope it survives.
I'd like to show you our brand new Bonsai Care app. The app provides tree species specific information for all your trees, and it can set smart reminders to optimize the care for your bonsai. It is available for free in the app stores.